Hi, Mackenzie. My name is Hannah, and we're in the same group, in our same section of photography. I just wanted to give you your peer review video. So I'm just going to walk through and kind of go through the rubric that our professor posted on Canvas. Um, so far, just like walking through, I looked at the video or I looked at the images before recording this, and they look really good. I like a lot of what you've done in your portfolio. I like the pictures that you took because I can tell that you went, out of your room to take these images. You kind of like adventured all over town. It looks like, which is cool. Um, so first question on the rubric is: does the artist generally understand the requirement of the project? I believe that you did. I think that you covered a lot of different composition and lights. These two images here, it shows the lighting that I like, and I also like the lighting from your room. It looks really cool. I think that you did a good job with that. I like the sunset too. It incorporates lots of different colors and lightings and things. Um, yeah, I really like them. I like a lot of your photos. Um, the next question is: how effectively has the artist used the elements and principles of design/photography to compose the image? um, I think that overall you did really well. One improvement that I would encourage you to make is maybe it seems like you have multiple images that look kind of the same. I would encourage you to maybe for the final project, maybe take out a couple of them and use different images to fill it up, because here there's 9 images of what looks like the same exact sunset, besides the cars being here. So it's a great photo, but I would encourage you to maybe branch out a little bit. But other than that, I really do think that you encaptured the elements and principles of design/photography. Um, and that's in that. Let's see. Kind of the same thing here between these three images. I can't really tell the difference between them, so maybe just take a couple more images to put into your portfolio, and same with here. But other than that, oh, and same with here as well. But it looks, I mean, they're great pictures. I really like how the light, that kind of like that sunshine light shines through. Next question: are there particular images within the portfolio that stand out as the best, and why? I definitely think that this image here is my favorite of yours, because I really love just the American flag that's like standing in the middle, and also I love the beautiful sunset in the background. I really like how that image showed up, because there's so many different pinks and purples and blues in it. I just really like how that turned out. That's probably my favorite image because of the colors and just kind of like the symbolism behind it as well, with the American flag like shining bright. The next question is: are there particular images within the portfolio that stand out as weak or needing improvement, and why? Um, there are a few that kind of stand out as weaker, and it might be just because I don't know what the subject is that you're trying to capture. For example, this one, I am assuming that you're at a horse track. It looks like, but I can't really see if the horses right here are the focus of the picture, or if it's the sign. And also you can kind of see the shadow of yourself. So that one was a little bit weak, but I mean, it's still not a bad photo. It just, I don't know if it necessarily encaptures the light and composition subject. But I'm looking through, other than that, um, yeah, here they are again. Other than that, I don't think that there are any bad images, and that's not even a bad image. But I would just maybe, when you submit your final project, maybe update those a little bit. And the last question is: what things could the artist do to improve the images? Um, an improvement that you could make is maybe putting some of them through Photoshop or putting like filters on them. I've seen other students do black and white images. So like for instance, you could just play around and kind of see like if you made this image black and white, see how it turns out. If you like it, keep it. If you don't, just toss the idea. But I think that would be interesting. Same maybe with this one, just to kind of see how that would change the image, how it would change the mood of the image, et cetera, et cetera. But other than that, I think this is a really great project. I think that you've done an amazing job on it, and I'm excited to see your final project. Thanks for letting me review your portfolio.